Ah, green tea. Simple, soothing, and packed with benefits. Welcome back to Vitality Health Sphere. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of green tea and why you might want to make it a part of your daily routine. Stick around to discover some amazing perks of this ancient beverage. Did you know green tea has been cherished for centuries? Originating in China and later spreading across the globe, it's not just a drink but a ritual for many cultures. And there's good reason for that. Let's explore the top benefits of green tea. First up, green tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly catechins. These are natural compounds that can help combat free radicals in your body, reducing cell damage and slowing aging. Think of it as a little cup of youthfulness. Research suggests that these antioxidants can even support heart health and may lower the risk of certain chronic diseases. Pretty impressive for a humble leaf. Need a mental pick-me-up? Green tea's got your back. It contains just the right amount of caffeine to give you a gentle energy boost without the jitters that coffee sometimes brings. Plus, it's rich in an amino acid called L-Theanine. This unique combination helps improve brain function, focus, and even promotes relaxation. It's like calm energy in a cup. Trying to shed a few pounds? Green tea can lend a helping hand. Studies have shown that it may boost your metabolism and increase fat burning, especially during exercise. While it's not a magic potion, pairing green tea with a balanced diet and regular exercise can enhance your weight management efforts. And let's not forget the overall wellness boost green tea offers. It's been linked to better digestion, improved skin health, and even a stronger immune system. Cheers to that. It's not just a drink, it's a way to nurture your body and mind. So what do you think? Ready to brew yourself a cup of goodness? If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest health tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy and sip happy.